Gracious Kids Story Time.
Addition. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Hi, kids. How many cookies do we have here? 1 cookie. We have 1 cookie here. Sam adds a cookie on the plate. How many cookies do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2 cookies. We have 2 cookies here. 1 cookie plus 1 cookie equals 2 cookies. Great job, kids. Now let's count how many cookies are on this pink plate. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cookies on this pink plate. Great job, kids. Now let's count how many cookies are on the blue plate. 1, 2. There are 2 cookies on the blue plate. How many cookies are there on both plates? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cookies on both plates. 2 cookies on the blue plate plus 3 cookies on the pink plate. That makes 5 cookies in total. Great job, kids. Keep it going. How many cookies does Mary have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary has 4 cookies. Now, let's count how many cookies Sam has. 1, 2, 3. Sam has 3 cookies. It looks like Mary has 1 more cookie than Sam. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Mary and Sam has 7 cookies in total. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cookies in total. Great job, kids. How many cookies did Mary eat in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cookies. Mary ate 4 cookies in total. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Great job, kids. See you again. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun stories.